If you're trying to add your first product in WooCommerce and want to do it the right way, this video will walk you through the exact process I use on real stores. Titles, descriptions, pricing, stock, categories, SEO, images, every setting that beginners usually miss. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to publish a professional product page that's clean, optimized, and ready to sell. No fluff, no guesswork, just a clear step-by-step walkthrough you can follow on any WordPress site. To continue, return to the WooCommerce dashboard page and click Add Products to start building your catalog. Products form the core of your e-commerce site, and WooCommerce gives you full control over titles, descriptions, images, pricing, stock categories, and variations. You're now on the product editor screen. Look to the right side under the Publish panel and click Save Draft so that you don't lose any work. At the very top, click into the title field and enter your product title. For example, Hydrofuel Pro Bottle. Under the title, look for the permalink line. Click Edit and set a clean, short slug such as Hydrofuel-Pro-Bottle. Short slugs keep URLs tidy and they're easy to share. Below the title, the large content box is the main product description. Use this area for details such as materials, capacity, care instructions, benefits, and specifications that customers need to know. This description appears in the Description tab on the product page. On the right-hand side of the editor, find the Product Image panel. Click Set Product Image. In the Media module, upload a clear, high-quality photo or pick one from the media library and then click Set Image. If you have additional angles, use the Product Gallery under the Image panel to add more photos. Scroll down to the Product Data panel. The product type should say Simple Product. In the General section, enter your regular price. If you plan a discount, enter a sale price and, if needed, click the small calendar icon to schedule start and end dates. Open the Inventory tab inside the Product Data panel. If you want WooCommerce to track stock automatically, check Manage Stock. Enter a stock quantity, for example, 50. Set a low stock threshold, for example, 5, so that you get notified before you're going to run out. If you allow back orders, choose Allow but Notify Customer. Leave Sold Individually unchecked unless you only want to allow 1 unit per customer. On the right side of the screen, locate the Product Categories panel. Click Add New Category. Create a relevant category such as Accessories or Fitness Equipment, and make sure the new category is checked for this product. Below the main description area, find the product short description box. Enter a short summary that highlights key points such as size, material, or standout benefits. This short description appears near the top of the product page next to the price. Scroll a little further and add a few product tags customers might use, such as bottle, gym, or hydration. Tags help search and filters. Back in the Publish box, open Catalog Visibility and choose Shop and search results. If this is a flagship item, click Featured. Then click OK. When everything is ready, look in the top right corner. Click Publish. After the product is published, click View Product to see it on the front end. You'll notice the short description appears near the top and the long description appears in the tab below, which helps shoppers see important details immediately. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.